Hey everyone, Joe Hancock here with MarineMax here in Venice, Florida. Today we are aboard the 310 SLX from Sea Ray. This is an amazing boat sitting right here on our front line in Venice, Florida. This boat is powered by twin 400 horsepower Mercury Verado engines. With that comes the joystick piloting operation, which is super easy to dock and pull in and all that stuff. At the rear of the boat, you have an aft-facing sun pad. So when you're sitting at the sandbar or anywhere hanging out, you can face backwards, get out in the sun, and just have a good day. As we come into the cockpit of the boat, you have your main seating area, very large entertaining space with a huge L-shaped seating arrangement here, another seat here. Underneath this counter space over here, you have a grill and your sink right next to it. Underneath this cabinet right here, you have a little fridge, space to put your snacks, drinks, whatever you might need while you're out on the boat to keep cold. As you come through to the helm of the boat, you have your twin throttles and your joystick like we were talking about, two SIMRAD displays, and all your controls for the boat here. Just want to point your direction up real quick. This is like a sunroof, so this opens all the way up and you can get some nice sun coming into this nice seating area. As you come to the front of the boat, as you walk through, you have your head space right in front of the co-pilot seat. More than enough room to get down there. And all the way in the bow of the boat, this door completely closes off along with the windshield to block the airflow if it's a windy and cold day. Other than that, you have another table up at the front and a big U-shaped seating area to fit tons of people. There's also a windlass anchor on the front to make it easy anchoring. This is the 310 SLX from Sea Ray Boats.